Maybe we can get some ice cream. Or some tacos. Or some cheese.
Your mom, okay, Dallas? Don't tell her.
Alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
All right.
What else?
Jade.
I said I was gonna tell on y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all dad. Stop barking at me.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No!
Sit. Sit, Dose. Sit. Sit down!
Mama!
You're a good boy. That's it, you're a good boy. That's it.
No. Mommy is watching.
Huh?
Want to go for a walk?
Gentle. Oh my god. Pray.
Sit. Sit.
Get down. Get down. Down.
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down.
When you don't want to be wanting nobody mess with you when you got a bone, he don't like nobody messing with him when he got a ball.
Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money.
Nope, I'm staying with Grandma. You staying with Grandma, ain't you? You go stay with Grandma, yeah.
Can I get an ow ow? Ow ow.
Can I get a oh yeah?
Cause I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came, girl.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No! Yeah.
Hey, boy.
What's up?
But stop doing that. But get your dog, bro. Why you do this, bro? Calm down. But get your dog, bro.
Happy birthday to you. Not allowed on the bed. You no. You, oh.
Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk?
Bitch. Bitch. Bitch ass dog.
You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
You gotta sneeze?
Not allowed on the bed. You no. You, oh.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Come home, Lola. You're not a cow.
Oh Lord! Oh Lord, Big Daddy! Hey!
Got a bag of trash?
Girl, no.
No. No.